Hey guys, I'm Taylor and this is Kevin. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We've recently explored the East Coast in our self-converted Sprinter van, traveling from Bar Harbor, Maine to Key West, Florida. Now we're headed west and trading the sunshine and crystal clear waters for snow-covered mountains and winter coats. Subscribe and we'll see you every Tuesday.
Good morning, guys. We are currently here in Breckenridge and it is 6:35 in the morning and it's freezing outside. It's only 2 degrees outside and we woke up to the van being 58 inside with the heater on, and we have a little outdoor temperature gauge that we put in our water compartment area, and that's 26 degrees. It's sitting right over our drain pipe, so the hole in the van, so hopefully it's a little warmer than 26. But we are gonna try to shower before getting our day started, and we'll see if our hot water heater does its job and gets that water warm, because it is cold. I think we picked the worst morning to probably shower. So a tip for winter van life showering is to let the water that's sitting in the pipes out, let it just drain out, because it's gonna be ice cold water. And then once the water from the hot water tank goes through the lines and gets the shower head, then you're ready to step in and get a shower. But Taylor, how's the water?
No, it's not on. Trying not to waste any of it.
I know, but is it warm?
It was warm.
Good.
Well, warmer. It wasn't hot.
It's not ice cold though.
No.
Tolerable. So right now in the van it's 61 degrees, and inside the water compartment area it's 28 degrees. Again, that thermometer is sitting right over the hole in the van for the drain pipes, so I think it's going to be a little bit colder in that spot. I should probably move it to a little bit higher spot where the pipes are. But I'm thinking about getting some insulation for the pipes, that for the one nylon pipe, nylon or vinyl braided, whatever it is, that's sitting on the ground. Check out these back doors. There's frost all over them. It's crazy. See that? It is very chilly. Couple tips though, if you want to stay warm in your van, obviously insulation is one. The second one is having a diesel or some type of heater, whether it be propane. We have the diesel S-Part D2, S2, S2, D2, whatever it is. And then for the floor gets very cold. The key is to have, what is that, a runner rug?
Yeah.
A runner.
Or the heated floors.
Or the heated radiant floors if you're gonna do long term.
I think honestly, if you're planning on being like a winter van lifer, the heated floors are the way to go. Like the rug is nice, but the second you step here, it's freezing.
Yeah. So definitely put a rug in your van if you're gonna be in the cold. If you're gonna be in the cold for a while, like Taylor said, get that heated flooring.
Sorry.
And then also, we might have to start putting the fan on low and pulling our, I guess, breath or the humidity from our breath out of the van, because I think that's why our doors are freezing and our windows are freezing. We do open the vent, so there is some type of ventilation out, but I think it might be best to just turn the fan on low. Maybe we'll try that again. But tonight, or last night, was the coldest we've ever stayed in the van, with it being 2 degrees, feeling like a -1 or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but it was very, very cold. One other thing that's critical for van life in the winter is having something to brush the snow off your solar panels so you can get power, and having something like an isolator or a battery-to-battery charger is definitely something else that would be greatly beneficial to help charge your batteries, because there's limited sun in the winter, especially when it's cloudy and snowing out. We're here, let's see if the water turns on. We're beat. Not today. Nope. No! We're beat.
It's frozen.
It's not frozen, it's just not on. All right. This is gonna be a struggle to find water.
Yikes, that sucks.
What to do now? Gotta figure out where to go. So, we are currently in the town of Eagle. It's a little warmer over here. There's not as much snow. Not really sure why, but it's good for our water tank because we were a little nervous about how cold it was getting. Luckily nothing froze and bursted or anything. But we're meeting up with a new friend of ours named Jake Filarski, who is building vans out here, and we're gonna go check out his shop. He's currently working on a 144 Sprinter van, and he also has a water spout to help us out. We got beers with him last night. It was really fun. Getting a chance to meet someone new on the road, so yeah, we'll check out his shop, we'll show you what he's working on, and let us know what you think of it. All right, so we're actually not in the town of Eagle, we're in Gypsum, and we just pulled up to Jake's workshop warehouse where he's got his van parked in front, so let's go check it out and meet Jake. I forgot to mention that Jake is also from New Jersey.
Yep.
And he lives, what, 10 minutes from where we live back home?
Yeah. Egg Harbor Township, and then they're on the Barrier Island, so about 15 minutes away. And we just met last night in Colorado. So.
And you've been out here since when? January?
I drove out from New Jersey to here. Like end of December, and then January. Just recently quit my job, traveling a bunch in the van, and then I landed here. I'm helping a friend build another van, which is inside the shop. And we'll show you guys a little tour of that and what's going on in there. But yeah, I've been super into building the vans, and I kind of I landed here, and I've been really enjoying it and being able to snowboard a bunch.
You've been to Wyoming and Montana already, and
yeah, I drove up there last week, Wyoming, Montana, and pretty much just been here, grinding away, working hard, you know.
Yeah. He's been giving us some tips on where to stay in Jackson and Big Sky, which is coming up next for us, so we're pretty pumped. But we want to take a look at this and see his, these countertops that he has are incredible. Check them out.
So this is my van. It's a Promaster, 136-inch wheelbase, and fully custom. My dad builds houses for a living, so we have a whole woodworking shop at my house. So I have the privilege to be able to do stuff like this along with my dad. And the countertops are something that I enjoyed the most building. They are all Resin River countertops. This is black walnut, and this is like some splendid maple or something like that. But I have a small heater down there, all the way at the bottom, little diesel heater, fridge in here, little toilet, so I keep my shoes as well, and clothes back there, and then some food up here. And
What do you got for electrical?
so I have 200 watts of solar on the roof, and I have two 100 amp hour Renogy batteries, AGM batteries in the back. And I really don't have any issues. The only time I'd ever have issues is when it's cloudy and I'm not driving a lot, but I think that goes for everybody.
And underneath the bed, he's got ample storage for
lots of toys. We can take a look at that.
Yeah. What is it? 3 snowboards?
Yeah, I got 3 snowboards. There's one of them. I have a mountain bike. I got 4 surfboards on the roof. I have freediving fins. I have a spear gun. I have. I don't know, man. I like things.
Just your outdoorsman.
Yeah. Yeah.
Adventure mobile.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's take a look at that real quick now.
Yeah. All right, so it's a little bit of a mess back here, but so much storage. I think I have like 34 inches from the bottom of my bed down to the ground. Snowboards, mountain bike, fins up there, wetsuits, some backcountry gear, and some camping gear and stuff like that. And then those are my batteries up there. Also, quilts, handmade by my cousin, Denise. She's amazing.
Thank you, Denise.
Yeah, thanks, Denise.
And there's his
Keeping him
surfboards.
warm in the Colorado cold.
have a chalkboard too.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The ladies love the chalkboard.
I bet they do. Chalkboards are fun.
Alright, so we'll go inside and check out the new one.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the shop I've been working in with my friend Lucas. Here is the Sprinter van that we were building. It's a 2020 Mercedes 4-wheel drive Sprinter, 144-inch wheelbase. We're going to do a bed lift, so to give you guys an idea of what it will look like, bed lift will be on these 4 posts. The bed will be up here, it'll come down. We have 2 bench seats. We're doing all of the framing out of 80/20 aluminum. It's really strong and really light stuff, and we've enjoyed working with it. We have 600 amp hours of lithium, and we'll have, I think, in total, we'll have about 300 watts of solar with the roof panel and the panels we'll have when we'll be at camp to take them out. And then kitchen up here, we'll have a range oven, we'll have water heater, big sink, huge fridge. The fridge will be right here.
Alright, so when do you plan on having the van finished?
So the van should be finished. We're hoping to be done around May. I started here about a month ago, and that was back in January, middle of January. So we're moving along, working on it almost every day. One of us is at least, or both.
Are you documenting your progress anywhere?
Oh, funny you should ask. But yeah, so I have a YouTube channel. I'm now starting to post Tuesdays and Thursdays, and my goal is to just share quick how-to videos and little updates on the van, like how to use 80/20, how to install the windows and do templating, and just share the process of this as well as some other fun content and stuff like that.
What's your plan once the van is finished?
So the van will be finished in May. This summer I'll probably do a little traveling, and I'll be up in Alaska salmon fishing. And after that, we were talking about doing another van around September, but I'm not completely sure yet. I know I love building vans and I love working with my hands and stuff, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned and maybe you'll find out.
So where can people find you?
So people can find me on YouTube, Jake Filarski, Instagram, Jake_Filarski. If you want to friend request me on Facebook, you can, Jake Filarski. Not on there a whole lot.
We'll leave a link for him in the description below. We'll link his YouTube channel and his Instagram.
I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching these guys. They're super nice and very kind. I appreciate them a lot, and them being able to come here and help me out with all this. So thanks to you guys.
Thank you.
And
Thanks, Jake.
It was awesome,
see you
yeah.
soon again.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, that wraps it up for this week's episode. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next one because we have some serious plumbing trouble that could cost us our entire trip.